Goed zo. Dankjewel. Dankjewel, opa, oma. Your trampo is there?
Ja, hier.
Oh.
Wil jij een foto maken van de dochter?
Ja, straks doen. Ja? Wat zeg je dan te opa en oma?
Dankjewel, opa en oma.
Oh. Yan guys. Ayan na yung ibang parts. Yan. Yan yung net. Yes, meisje?
Er is ook één op mijn huis, kom maar.
Ja.
Ook één op mijn huis, daar.
And
Ook
these
één op
are
mijn huis.
the metal.
Mama,
Ja.
en ook één op mijn huis, kijk. En ook één op mijn zijbaan.
Oh.
Mama, kom.
So, nabili namin to. Ay, hindi. Binili pala ito ng my in-laws bought it for us para pala kay Samantha. And yeah, we received the delivery today. So, we are going to build it now, guys, and we will show you how to build it.
A few moments later.
Which ones?
Going to be
The frame is already put
see,
in.
it's just loose.
Yeah, because it needs to be screwed.
Yeah, with what? There's no hole.
Okay. Oh no, this is the front cover.
This is the middle. You jump on this. This goes here with those metal things. Then you have that white blue, that blue thing that goes later around it. But you first
That's
you do
it?
this, then you
No,
do the
there's
poles.
another one. Spring there.
Nee, that is the net that goes around it. They had a tool for this one. We need to determine 4 points, like here, 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 here. Here is getting loose now already.
Yun guys, we're starting to put the yung net. So, meron siyang mga holes na you guys need to insert like that. So, we need to do all this everywhere around all the corners. So, merong tools. When using a tools to use it. Ayan. So, this comes in handy.
Oh nee,
So, ayan.
opgegeten?
Like that.
Nee, die is nog, die is...
And Samantha is very excited. Are you excited, Maisha?
Nee, mama.
Yes.
Kitty heeft een luchtje gevangen. Kom eens
Oh.
kijken.
Oh, nee. So, tapusin lang muna namin yan, guys. Lahat.
You need to.
So, ito si tools. And the last part. Yeah! Futso!
Okay.
So, ayan guys. Naka-on na lahat. Nakalagay na lahat ang spring. Medyo mahirap siya, pero meron namang siyang tools, kaya it made it more easier. So, complete na. It's already complete, the base, and we need to put up now the, yung mga pole.
Did you make a picture?
So, what's up here now? This is the poles. Sam, can you help?
I need tools on here.
So, ayan guys. Medyo, the trampoline is almost done. We're just putting the net on it. It was a little bit hard to assemble. But, yeah. It's almost done. And Samantha can enjoy it very soon. So, we're putting now the net. Can you manage the net?
Yeah. I do it bit by bit. Open
I
up
think it's fine.
and up some.
Yeah. So, she's excited. Ayan.
We just need to put these one down.
Kan ik nu?
Only.
Bijna?
Bijna, zo? Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So, ayan. Last part. Oh, wow, Sammy. Mag ik ook?
Nee.
Ja.
Dan zak je te door.
What?
Dan is het funny movie.
Oh, yay. So, Mama is not allowed to go there? To join with you? Maybe I'm allowed, Maisha.
Kan ik nu?
Doe maar. Maar je moet de schroevendraaier er even afhouden.
Yeah. Ayan, guys. Ready na siya. It's done. All set. Ano yan na si Samantha? Jumping, Sammy. Do you like it?
Ja!
Good so. Okay, now Mama needs to tie your hair first before you spinning. Come here. Mooi, no?
Ja, is mooi.
Good so. And what's heb je done?
Dankjewel, Opa en Oma.
Goed zo.